Hi everyone, this is Ryan from Zoom. Today, we're going to take a look at creating a new patch on the G6 multi-effects processor. The G6 has 100 preset patches. You could use one of these patches, adjust the settings in that patch to get your sound desired, or make a completely custom one from scratch. Let's create a new patch for a high-gain 7-string guitar sound. First, we'll want to power on the G6 and push the play mode foot switch so the bank/patch is selected. Next, use the bank and patch foot switches to navigate to an empty patch on the device. From the factory, the empty patch slots will begin on bank Z, patch number 101. To start our patch and create a bass tone point, we'll select and add an amp model. From the G6's main screen, select Change Amp/Effect and press one of the bypass blocks in the effects chain. This will open the Amps and Effects list. Select Amp to choose your desired amp. You can scroll through this list using the touchscreen. Pressing an amp model will apply it to the patch and can be auditioned while in this menu. For this patch, let's select the 7 Heaven model. With that choice selected, we can press the OK button at the top right-hand side of the screen to add this to our patch. This brings us back to the Change Amp/Effects screen. From here, we can apply a cab simulation or IR to complete our amp selection. This would be applied after our amp model effect in the patch. From this screen, we can select the effect block directly to the right of our amp model. This will open the Amps and Effects screen. This allows you to select the different effects models available on the G11. For this patch, let's add a cabinet simulation. Here we have the full list of cabinets. Let's add the RCT 4x12 for this preset. This cabinet models the sound of a Mesa Boogie Recto Standard slant cabinet armor with 4 12-inch Celestion Vintage 30 speakers. From here, we can start adding effects to our patch. This can be done the same way we added the cabinet. Let's add a noise reductor to help keep the volume in your chain level. Next, we can add a drive effect before the amp simulation. Now a graphic EQ after our cabinet. And finally, a reverb in between our cab and EQ. Now that we have our patch started, we can press the back button and return to the main screen of the G6. From here, to perfect this patch further, we can use the Change Our Effect order to move effects around within our patch. Back on the main page, you can also add or removed effect blocks to our patch. And rename and edit our patch settings. The G6 can be used to create the ideal effects patch for your sound in any situation. For more information and product updates, please go to zoomcorp.com.